Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the G1000 and confirming backup instruments are stable. This prevents surprises. Next, enter or load the flight plan waypoint using the FPL key so the display will center the route. Once done, switch NAV1 to the VOR frequency and listen for or view the station ident to confirm reception. Make sure the correct navigation source is selected for the CDI. This ensures the display guidance will reflect the VOR you intend to use. With the VOR tuned and identified, rotate the OBS or course knob to set the radial or inbound course you plan to fly. This programs the CDI. Once set, check the to/ from flag to know whether the needle indicates flying toward or away from the station, and select appropriate CDI sensitivity, wider for en route, finer for approach. Then use the map or HSI overlay to visualize the radial relative to your aircraft. This combination gives precise lateral guidance, and to intercept, calculate a reasonable intercept angle, usually 30 degrees. Fly that heading and watch the CDI move toward center. Once it centers, roll to the desired course and fine-tune headings to keep it centered. Make small, smooth heading adjustments rather than abrupt turns to maintain stable tracking. If the CDI wanders unexpectedly or shows inconsistent deflection, troubleshoot by rechecking the VOR frequency and ident, confirming NAV source selection, and verifying aircraft altitude and antenna condition, then re-establish navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.